We bought a stock called Alumis, ALMS, on November 21st. So it's been, 10 weeks? The stock's up 281%.
Damn.
Ooh.
And we alert members to these. Like, it was a $7 stock. We saw them all piling in. We figure they probably know something. We follow along. Now the $7 stock's a $27 stock, right? So if you can take advantage of some of this stuff, right, even if you're buying 10 shares, 100, 1,000, whatever it is, you will be surprised how much less angry you are.
No, yeah, I mean, we're involved.
when you're making money alongside.
We're in the
these.
community. Yeah. We're in it. I mean, it works. We've seen it. Like, the proof is in the pudding.
Did y'all take a Loomis?
Yeah, I did. I got MBX as well.
All right.
The stuff works.
See?
Guys. I mean, y'all have to get on. Y'all have to. I mean, we can't beat them. We got to join them.
Yeah, that is a tale as old as time.
Yeah, and it's interesting. So I didn't know that even if they passed that act, I forgot that all the CEOs, and I feel like that's almost more because they are really, the money, where the money is, that's where the decisions are made.
Well, they know company-specific stuff, right? So, like, a lot of our big winners have been like little pharmaceutical companies. So they're running drug trials. We don't know how they're going to go. They're waiting on FDA approval. Well, they know the news before it comes out.
Yeah.
So if we see 8 people at the company putting $500,000 a piece into the stock all in a week, it's like, okay, they're doing something. Maybe we should buy a couple shares. And what do you know? Things go well. Now, it's not bulletproof. I'm not trying to create the image that I've got the investment strategy that works 100% of the time. We've got one is down 4% or 5% here and there, but when some of them are up 200 and 300 or 500%, who cares?
Yeah, it's the name of the game.
It really is just common sense, right? You look at, I'm going to bore you guys for 10 seconds here, but like the index, the general stock market does this much. You look at 90% of professional money managers, Wall Street guys who are handling your 401k, they can't beat the freaking index, the average. 90% can't. Meanwhile, Congress is putting up these kind of numbers. So what does it really take to do well in investing? Digging through financial data or having access to better information? It's crystal clear to me.
Yeah.
So you can bore yourself and read through all the earnings reports and watch CNBC till your eyes bleed, or you can just follow the stocks that the insiders are buying.
Yeah.
And it's really just common sense.
Yeah, okay. So, and that makes sense as well because some of those stocks are going up 1,700%, and the ones that go down are only going down like 3 or 4%. Because why would a CEO or a congressperson buy a stock that they know is going to tank? So it's really like you can't, it's not much you're risking, it seems like.
Yeah, and that's a good point. I mean, there's always risk in the market, right? I don't want to say that there's not, but you're right. If you're picking random stocks, like they can go down 50% in a month. They can go down 90% in a couple of months. These technically can too, but like you said, why would the CEO and the CFO and the board of directors, why would they all be buying before they report bad news? Why would Congress be putting in half their annual salary into a little stock whose executive board happens to be their donors if they had any inkling that something bad was about to happen? It's just much rarer. So the whole investment game is like risk versus reward. You want to make a bunch of money, but you don't want to take big losses. So following insiders kind of handles both. You're reducing the risk by only getting the stocks that the people who know best are buying, and you're capturing the upside by following what are often opportunistic opportunities. So it's really kind of the best of both worlds. I mean, we've beaten the market every year since 2017, not because Ross Given's any kind of great stock picker, because I follow the people that know better, right? So whether it's a member of Congress, whether it's a CEO or some other level of insider, they're just in a far better position with far better information to help you make investment decisions. And especially if you're young or you're starting out, like all you got's $4 or $5 grand. Well, a couple of home runs really get you on your way.
Yeah.
Right? Versus sitting in Bitcoin is down 50% or watching Microsoft come down. You guys are owning a Loomis that no one's ever heard of, and you tripled your money in 11 weeks. Right? So anyway, I don't want to shill this thing too hard. I just think it's a big loophole. I think it's one of the biggest advantages individual investors have, and it's a way to kind of take something nasty and ugly, which is dirty insider trading, and shifting that over to something that actually benefits us, totally legally, totally ethically, and I tried to do my part and show people how to do the same. So anyway, I hope you guys come, click that link, sign up, join us. Y'all coming again?
Yeah, for sure.
I can't get enough of this information.
I love it.
It's crazy. They're cheating.
Stocks.
They're signing the dotted line and literally saying, let me put some money in the stock because they signed it.
Yeah. It's almost like having a savings account where your money can just triple. Like it's better than just like putting your money in an account and letting it sit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, look, it's hard to earn money, right? It's hard to not spend it and delay the gratification and save it after you pay taxes so they can send it off to Israel. Like it's hard to do. So then you're going to take that money you've worked and saved, risk it in some manner. Like you should only do that if you have some level of edge. You have some indication that you've got a very good chance of growing that money in a big way. And this, to me, is that.
Well,
Yeah, and it makes sense because they're not just gonna tweet out their stock trades. They're gonna put it. They have to put it publicly, but they're gonna make it as hard as they can for people to find it, unless you know. So that's really cool. At the training, you're gonna teach people how to actually go and find this information.
Yeah.
Well, cool, man.
We'll
We're
be
excited.
there.
Yeah,
Make sure
thank
you guys are
Ross.
there. I'm
Yeah.
telling you guys, we do this crap.
Yeah.
We do it.
We do.
Yeah, there's definitely opportunities there. You can check the numbers.
I got skin in the game. I wouldn't tell you to do nothing I wouldn't do.
Well, cool.
If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to create clips like these fast, try Opus Clips. It's smart, simple, and built for creators.